A one-day training cum demonstration program on oyster mushroom production under NEC project was jointly organized by ICAR Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Tamenglong and ICAR Research Complex Manipur Center at Thanagong village of Kopum under Nonai district. Altogether, 17 participants from Kopum area attended the program. BJP State Council member KH Ibomcha along with former Pradhan of Pungdongbam Sector Gram Panchayat Irungbam Prem provided edibles to 14 households at Pungdongbam Awang Lekai and Makha Lekai under Lamlai constituency declared as COVID-19 containment zone. Tangkhul Baptist Churches Association (TBCA) said it stands with the Indo-Naga peace negotiating team for flag and constitution for a lasting peace in the region. In a press conference held at TBCA office Mission Compound, Reverend Mathotmi said the TBCA has been a staunch advocate of peace in the region, particularly in Manipur since its inception. India continues to occupy the top global position with the maximum number of COVID-19 recoveries and accounts for 21% of the recovered cases worldwide, while its share in the total cases stands at 18.6%, the Union Health Ministry said. India has also maintained its global position with one of the lowest COVID-19 case fatality rates (CFR) when compared to several other countries. As per a media report, total case tally stands at 49,374. More than 1 lakh people have died of COVID-19 in India, the world's second worst hit country by the coronavirus pandemic after United States. With registration of 252 new COVID-19 cases, the total case tally in Manipur increased to 11,649. 228 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases from 18 different testing facilities, including RIMS and JANIMS in the state. The cumulative number of deaths in the state is 71 now. Meanwhile, 89 patients were discharged from various COVID care facilities in the state yesterday. The active cases stand at 2,497, while the recovered cases have reached 9,081. The recovery rate has improved to 77.95%. US President Donald Trump, who tested COVID-19 positive, went through a very concerning period on Friday last, and the next 48 hours will be critical in terms of his care. Trump is undergoing treatment at a military hospital, media reports said. The comments came yesterday after it was revealed that Trump was administered supplemental oxygen on Friday morning at the White House before he was transported to the hospital. Jiribam Zilla Parishad Upadhyaksha TH Samarjit Singh today flagged off the first ever air-conditioned luxury passenger bus for Jiribam district to be plied along Jiribam-Imphal Road during a simple function. Our Jiribam correspondent reports that the bus was launched under Billion Stars Tour and Travel Agency. Promoter of Billion Stars Tour and Travel Agency Jay Chandra and other officials attended the occasion. ICAN Foundation, based at Hawa Sadak, Jaipur, is honoring 44 renowned humanitarians of the country with Humanitarian Excellence Award 2020 for the endless service they rendered to the people amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Among them, 2 are from Manipur, social and cultural activists Rakesh Naurem and Ningombam Ongbi Ranibala Lema. Rakesh Naurem hails from Tenta Kongabal under Thoubal district, and Ranibala Lema is a resident of Kongman Zone 2 in Imphal East. Several Imphal-bound goods-laden trucks coming from other states along Imphal-Jiribam Road crossed Nonai district after repair of Irang Bridge at Nonai. A portion of the bridge was damaged recently after heavy rainfall lashed the district, disrupting normal life and traffic movement, a report said. 2 Navy personnel died as a glider on routine flight crashed at Kochi this morning, a defense spokesperson said. He said the naval power glider was on a routine training sortie and took off from INS Garuda. It crashed near Thopumbadi Bridge close to the naval base at around 7 a.m.